Alrighty folks, day one of the Mayberry market at Walnut Hills Farm. We're getting rolling on stuff, getting packed up and ready to go. Let me show you what we got. Alright, so I gotta get all these framed up and a couple more of those tall harvest signs there. Oh man, that's just gorgeous. All right, all those are done. Just realized I gotta get those three. Forgot about that. I also have those to do still. But let's go check on Tom. Looking good. All right, we're getting stuff packed up. We are just a couple hours out from hitting the road here. I mentioned this massive package here in an earlier video. We are gonna tear into that now because it is for our events. All right, these are what we got here. These racks here for products. They do come with hooks, just like that. Super easy. But yeah, those will be a lot more convenient than having to, you know, put together an entire sort of frame thing like we have at our past events, if you've seen those videos at all. These, we just stand them up just like that and put hooks on them, whatever we need to do there. Gotta make sure it goes over like that. All right, yep, cool stuff. Can't wait until we have our setup completely done, all the product out, and show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna be completely new from anything we've had in the past. It is going to look absolutely awesome. Got a brand new tent and everything. It's in there on the ground. Can't really see it, but yeah. All right. Everything is loaded up. Be rolling out here. All right, we just pulled in here. Tom's gonna go check in and we are gonna start setting up.